Ingrid here from Open Journey. I want to film this little process video. I want to use a whole bunch of washi strips from the With You kit. Actually, this one is from Living Stones. And then I want to do a whitewash over it. I have a little cold, so my voice is a bit raspy. What I used here, the black, I use this a lot. It's a tempera paint stack and it dries really fast and makes beautiful black marks. Now this will be for the section in the devotional called With You. And I love that because it is kind of the central theme of this kit, and it is very moving. I think this for me is a very important truth that needs to settle in. It's really fun making compositions with the washi strips. Now these, the wings are from Wings of Faith digital kit, and I printed this just on sticker paper, white sticker paper, and it's a very convenient element to journal with. I had wings in various kits. I wanted to have a good resource of have all the wings together in one kit because they're such a beautiful element and definitely can be used in Bible journaling. So use either a card or a palette knife. Just gonna use some white acrylic. Or my finger. Fill in the gaps and make everything blend in. I guess I'm able to control it more, that's all. Using the card leaves very cool marks too. Not as soft as the ones with the finger. And if you cover too much, I'm not worried about that. You can come and wipe it off before the acrylic dries. I wanted a mainly white page. That's why I'm covering most of it. Before it dries, I want to come and just wipe off some areas. So the tornado sirens went off, so I turned off the camera. I stopped recording because I didn't know it's a scheduled thing, so it scared me for a little bit. I was like, what's going on? Anyway, so I had this piece. This ticket says this Lent comes with all the other tickets, like these, with a kit that you have to cut out, and I just attached. I stapled this little die cut here, and I'm gonna use the With You ticket from the add-on kit, and I did write a little bit about the with preposition, which is so beautiful. I love how it actually, even if we're just with Jesus, implies a hidden activity, a change afterwards. It implies a transformation, which is exactly what we need. This is just cutting a piece of the clear sticker just to adhere, just making a hinge for this ticket. I don't want it to be visible, so it just totally blends in. So I'm really enjoying this daily Lent journaling. I don't think I skipped a day yet. Either, at least I did something very little, but I still journaled, and it's just so good. I love those strips. You can even tell they're there. I was gonna stamp With You. I'll stamp With You, but not with black. Maybe with like a Victorian velvet. It's a very light, kind of dusty pink. Now my journal is very bulky. I have all kinds of stuff underneath, so I have to put something under. So maybe I would like the width part to be just a little bit darker. Coming with like a purple. Yeah. It actually turned out really nice. It's a very cool effect. Thinking if there's anything else I would like to do. I was gonna use, I made this cluster. I have some of these floral sewn pieces in the shop. Here I used the boat from the Come With Me Too kit, and I was gonna use it here on this page, but it's just it's a lot of elements, so I decided to use that instead. But I'm just revisiting this thought. I like layers upon layers. It's beautiful. Maybe I'll keep this here. It's such a cool reminder. And I'd like to write With You there. Perfect. So I might keep this guy in here. I love it. So in the devotional, I'm looking at page 12, talking about the with me, with you, the with preposition. And then I put a mark here also on page 18, 19, 20. I have a little write-up here. And the invitation, come with me, is there so we can indeed be with him. And that is our life's goal. How are we gonna answer, or you, how are we gonna answer this invitation today? And it's true, I think with you in everything we go through disarms the power of destruction of any difficult situation. And actually it creates a bond that's been tempered in fire. You know how critical situations or very hard things we go through, depending who we go through with, kind of creates a tempered bond, right? And if we invite Jesus in any of our situations like that, he will not only help us, but our connection will be so much stronger and our trust will be so much greater. So I think that's cool. It's beautiful. So I would like actually to write something about this here. I really love the page. See, that's why I'm saying that it would be nice if these would be hidden. It would be a hidden pocket underneath, so I can put in journaling. Sometimes I just don't want to write anymore over these pages, you know, because they're beautiful. I just love them the way they are. Next time I will do a hidden pocket. I should just do that by habit and save space, right? And I could put an envelope here, or just a different envelope or a different piece of paper, and just make a little slit here and be able to insert notes in there. Oh, maybe I'll just do that. I think that'll be pretty cool. So, oh, this, it was just sitting on the side here. It was this washi strip with this flower, and it looked so beautiful, the overlap. So I just put it, I glued it in here because it's just so instant composition. Yeah, so thinking what to use for a pocket or to hide that. I love this card. It's so crazy and beautiful. Maybe I'll use this card here. So if I make a sit here and insert notes, yeah, I think this would be able to hold that. I'm gonna continue this black on the page so it kind of blends in. Isn't that cool? Yeah, it's beautiful. See, I'm using this whole thing here. So beautiful. I'm just gonna use parts of this clear sheet just to adhere this to the page, but then I decided to use this whole thing. I love how ideas just you get so much inspiration while you work through the process, which that's probably 80% of everything I do. It gets made like that. I start working and then just ideas just come. Cool. Now if I just make a little slit in the page, I'm not gonna ruin this. So I can just make, yeah, small cut. If I change my, if this doesn't turn out, I can just kind of tape this over and it'll be fine. So let's see if this works. It's a total failure. Oh, I think it works. It's great. And here you can really see it. I love it. And here using the same tempera paint stick, I like to add some white here to kind of continue this white that's on the card to the page. I'll work probably on that tomorrow. I almost have kind of a finished background. Oh, that's beautiful. Probably I'm just gonna write part of the devotional in there. Thank you for watching this. Hopefully you found that inspiring, and hopefully you're spending this amazing time in the Word, and it generates so many ideas and so much inspiration, and this communion in heart and thoughts with God is just amazing. So thank you for watching. Wishing you a blessed Lenten journey forward. We still have like 3 weeks minus 3 days. So 2 weeks and 4 days, yeah, of Lent. So that's it. Thank you. God bless.